Hey there, future homeowners and savvy real estate investors. It's Luna Petty, your trusted real estate and mortgage broker, with your weekly mortgage market update from Unique Financial. Let's dive into the latest roller coaster ride of mortgage rates and what it means for all of us. Hold on to your crystal ball because last week was a whirlwind of rate changes. The average rate for a 30-year fixed home loan dipped from 6.88% to 6.74% according to Freddie Mac. There were lots of rate changes last week, with our lenders sending out adjustments like crazy. And let me tell you what, there's a good possibility that rates will stay higher for a longer period of time. Spring officially starts this week, so how will the latest housing statistics affect the spring market as it heats up? Let's take a closer look to what this means for both home buyers and sellers. Shoppers may hold off on entering the real estate market until rates fall into a friendlier number, but they might be waiting a long while. When mortgage rates rise, the housing market can stagnate. Fewer buyers means sellers may need to adjust their asking prices. Total active inventory grew in most markets, with more new home listings hitting the market. New listings mean fresh options, which are crucial for buyers with specific must-have lists. However, the number of homes on the market is still down nearly 40% compared to pre-2020 levels. But here's the thing. Home buyers who can meet the current mortgage market challenges and take advantage of this new pool of listings are wasting no time in making offers before the spring market gets really hot and competitive. In fact, the typical home is already spending less days on the market compared to last year in many areas. Buyers, time is of the essence when you're making your offers. That's a wrap for this week's Mortgage Market Update. So whether you're buying or selling or just curious about the market, I'm here to guide you through every twist and turn. Drop me a message if you have any questions, and let's make your real estate dreams a reality.